Hey guys, it's Dave from MortgageGuy.com, and we have an amazing program for investors wanting to buy more investment properties. And I wanted to go over specifics of this program so you know all of the details. But before I do that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with more videos like this. So this program, like I mentioned, is for investors wanting to buy more investment properties. It is truly a no income mortgage, right? Which is huge. This means the employment and the income of the investor wanting to buy the property is not and does not come into play at all in the loan. So if they're a business, if they own a business and it loses money, if they're unemployed, if they're retired and they don't qualify maybe on that income, right? Maybe they start a new business, whatever it is, or maybe they have a job and they don't qualify. Whatever it is, it's not part of the transaction, so it does not matter. That's a huge benefit there, okay? Now, the minimum down payment is going to be 20%. And what they do look at from an underwriting standpoint is that the property's rent, so the market rent that they would see on the appraisal for what the home could rent for, would have to be 110% of the mortgage payment so that it cash flows. If you're putting down 20%, if you're putting down 25%, they don't even look at that. So you could literally buy a property because it's going to have equity in it. It's a good investment. It's something you want. And maybe it doesn't cover its payment with the rent. That's okay. It can also get approved and closed, okay? This is also fantastic if you want to refinance a property, if you want to refinance and cash out. So you're unemployed or can't get qualified on a regular route, but you want to take cash out of the property, you could do that, all right? Minimum credit score is a 600 at the moment. There is an interest-only option, another huge benefit, okay? You do need to own a primary home, right? So you do have to own a home. And here's a couple other caveats that are huge. You can close in the name of an LLC, which is fantastic. The only thing to keep in mind, anyone in the LLC has to be on the mortgage. So if it's a husband and wife, they both have to be on the mortgage. If it's two partners, they need to be on the mortgage. So the LLC has to match the loan, okay? You can also have an unlimited amount of finance properties. This is crazy. Think about this. On regular conventional loans, they max you out at 10 financed properties. Okay, so if you want to buy an 11th one and finance it, you couldn't. So that really limits you. You could go and look at doing a conventional loan, a commercial loan, which is going to have way stricter guidelines. It's going to be a larger down payment. It's going to cause you to maybe even cash flow even more. They're usually stricter when it comes to buying a single family property. The shorter terms, normally they're 20-year mortgages versus a 30 like this program. So that's not your first choice, is going to commercial route, right? And so this program is absolutely fantastic for those who want to continue to buy more and more rental properties and don't want to be limited by income, number one, and or closing an LLC, or limited on how many they can buy and finance, right? This is an amazing, amazing program, and I wanted to break down the specifics so you know the details. And of course, get with me if you have more questions. Call or email me anything, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.